around 100 grams of chicken and add turmeric powder, salt and little chili powder. Now let's mix it well. Then let's keep for around 10 minutes in the fridge for the marination. Okay, now let's mix it well. First let's take Amul butter and add a cube to our pan. You must take Amul butter because it's too tasty butter and healthy also. Now let's add our butter to pan. Now let's add our marinated chicken. Let's mix it well till it is fried. Hot and air is moving. Now let's add onion to it. Now let's mix it well. And also now let's add capsicum. And mix it well. No need of keeping in the flame for many minutes, just to be cooked. Not 2 minutes, just for 1 minute. Let's mix each other and off the flame. Mix each other. Now let's put this to another bowl. Topping is ready. Now let's take a blender and add around 4 slices of bread. Now let's add 3 eggs to our bread slices and add little salt for taste. Then let's blend it well. Okay, we have got our batter. Now let's take a pan and add a cube of butter. Now let's add around 1 teaspoon of maida to our milk. I have taken 1 cup of milk. Now let's mix it well till it is combined. Now let's add that milk mixture to our pan. Let's mix it well, keep in the little high flame and mix it well till it is in the thick consistency. Our white sauce is little bit ready. Okay, now let's add black pepper powder and little salt. Now let's mix it well. Let it combine together. Now our white sauce is ready. Now let's take a pan and add a cube of butter. Now let's add our batter to it. 20 to 30 seconds. Let's close our lid and keep. Now let's add our toppings and white sauce up. Guys, please like, subscribe, and don't forget to share my videos. Thank you. Bye bye.